Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to transfer books to your Boox Go Color 7 via USB-C. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is connect it to your computer with a cable. You can also do it by connecting it to your phone and opening the file manager on your phone, but I'll show you that on the computer because I think it's just more universal, right? On phones it may look different on each one. So I have a USB-C cable right here. I'll plug it into the USB-C port located on the right side of the device, and now it should appear on my computer in the File Explorer app. So let's go to File Explorer and now this PC, and you can see here's Go Color 7 Gen 2. Let's click on internal storage and now find books. Now you should be able to upload books here. So as I have my downloads and I have the Orwell Animal Farm in two formats because I'm not really sure whether it'll work in both formats, so we'll just try that. It's in EPUB and in PDF. Of course, EPUB is much superior compared to PDF when it comes to ebook readers, because you can change the font size and everything. And as you can see, yes, it works in both formats. I can now open the EPUB, and as you can see, it is open. Let's now switch to the next page, and yes, it works just like so. So that is great, definitely. You can of course adjust all the settings since it's an EPUB. You can change, for example, the font size and everything, right? We should be able to do that. Yes, let's click here, and we can go to style, for example, and set a bold font. We can increase the text size or go even further with the text size. Yeah, that is basically it. Now let's go back and let's open the PDF. Of course, PDFs give you less customization. They are fixed to what they're rendered in, so I can only zoom in like that, way less convenient, but I can switch between pages and it all works fine, and it's saved here, so if I unplug it from my computer, of course it will still work. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.